Oh, we have another scorching hot day on tap as we're expecting temperatures to be right around 102 degrees and feels like temperatures could come close to 105 degrees as well. Now, right now, seeing mostly clear skies, a beautiful view of downtown San Antonio. The current number is 75 degrees. Thankfully, the humidity has been our saving grace so far this weekend. Originally, we were expecting sort of muggy weather, but we had drier air move in, and that kept the feels like temperatures at bay, especially yesterday. Now, looking at the temperatures now, generally into the 70s. We do have upper 60s in Hondo and in Kerrville as well. And today we're expecting a high of 102 degrees with mostly clear weather, but we can't rule out an isolated shower for portions of the hill country. But once, like I said yesterday, if you live south of Kerr County, the chances of you seeing rain are pretty much non-existent. Now, we still have a heat advisory. Now, originally, this heat advisory was supposed to expire by 7 p.m. tonight, but the National Weather Service kept seeing model runs showing extreme heat continuing throughout the first half of the week. And that's the reason why they extended this heat advisory until Wednesday evening. They also added an extreme heat warning for Gonzales and Hallettsville because they're expecting more muggy air in this area, and that could cause feels like temperatures to be right around 107 to 110 degrees, which will be completely extreme. And this is the reason why we extended our weather impact alert until Wednesday evening for the potential of heat index values ranging from 105 to 109 degrees. The need to stay hydrated and please take breaks indoors when necessary with maximum AC. Now, one of the reasons why they extended this heat advisory and they added the extreme heat warning was because of the upper levels of the atmosphere. They saw this ridge of high pressure continue to linger over the great state of Texas for at least the first half of the work week, and that's going to cause more certainty that the temperatures will be quite high because this ridge of high pressure acts as a heat dome. It acts as a lid aloft, so typically warm air rises in the summertime, but with this high pressure system in the overheads of the atmosphere, it blocks that warm air and pushes it back near the surface, and that's increasing the certainty for extreme heat. So we're expecting another triple digit day today, and the majority of the triple digit days came this month in August. We only had one last month, July 22nd, and we've also had 6 days in a row with 100-degree afternoon highs, and I expect a 7th consecutive day in a row. Actually, I expect that number to grow significantly throughout this week because we're expecting each afternoon throughout the rest of this week to be in the triple digits. Highs should range from 102 to 100 degrees. Now, in terms of our weather pattern, still dry. The dry weather will continue. Still can't rule out an isolated shower for portions of the hill country, but once again, the majority of South Texas will not see a drop of rain today and for this week as well. We're going to be mostly clear with temperatures once again in the triple digits. Tomorrow morning, mostly clear, could see some clouds for our southernmost counties. And then in the afternoon and evening, mostly clear, mostly sunny. Same thing is true for Tuesday. It won't be until Thursday and Friday. That's when we can finally see a 10% chance of rain as a disturbance will come from the north, and that could cause an isolated shower and storm chance for both Thursday and Friday afternoon. But once again, these rain chances are very low, and the chances of widespread rain are also pretty low as well. So looking at the 7-day forecast, weather impact alert until Wednesday evening because of the extreme heat. High temperatures ranging from 102 to 100 degrees, and heat index values could get to 105. But if you live farther towards the east of I-35, then your heat index values could be up to 110 degrees, which will be quite high. And then we'll have a 10% chance of rain for Thursday and Friday afternoon. Temperatures still in the triple digits for the end of this week.